This is the final video to solve sketch features not staying constrained to the sketch plane in Fusion 3D 60. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve sketch features not staying constrained, and I am going to share them with you. First, checking your active sketch plane is crucial. Users often inadvertently deactivate the correct sketch, causing new geometry to be created on an unintended plane or losing its implicit constraint. Ensuring the correct sketch is active forces all new entities to inherit the properties and coordinate system of that specific plane, preventing unconstrained movement by establishing a clear reference. Second, redefining the sketch plane directly addresses instances where the initial plane selection was incorrect or corrupted. By explicitly selecting a new, stable planar face or construction plane, you re-establish a clear geometric reference for your sketch, allowing Fusion 360's solver to properly anchor features and correcting underlying spatial discrepancies. Third, correctly projecting geometry is vital. External references, if not properly projected into the active sketch, exist in a different spatial context. Using the project command creates associative links, effectively bringing the geometry onto your active sketch plane and ensuring it moves and scales with the parent, maintaining constraints. Without projection, objects lack the necessary mathematical relationship. Finally, updating Fusion 360 and your graphics drivers can resolve this issue by fixing underlying software glitches or compatibility problems. Outdated drivers might cause rendering inaccuracies or misinterpretations of geometric data, leading to visual but not functional constraints. A fresh software version often includes bug fixes addressing CAD stability and constraint management, ensuring the program correctly processes your design intent on the specified plane.